Welcome to DataonMyView. In this video I'm going to show how to use slicers within your report and how to use slicers to filter the data on all other pages in your report. Let's get started. As you can see in this report, I have only one page called Transport Insights. Here you can see I have a slicer, which has three different values: approved, on hold and pending. So for this slicer I have used this slicer visual, and I have dragged and have used status field here, and you can easily customize the things here. If I choose any of the value here, the visuals got filtered down with respect to the specific value which I filtered. Here I have filtered for approved, so here you can see the dataset has filtered down to show only approved, transport by status, and transport by priority, transport by project, and date wise transport. So if I change, again you can see the numbers are changing for pending. So this is just a simple slicer where you can easily drag and drop and you can pass the field. So for example, you have multiple pages. So let's say on this page you have something with created date with respect to ID. Let's say you have a different visualization like this. Okay, let's say we have another report where I have used simple area chart. There I have passed the just created date with respect to count of transport requests. Here you can see a simple visual. Still I'm adding a priority wise data, just like a pie chart. Here you can see visuals, right? So I'm adding another page again only with author, email, and then count. Let's say we have donut and count. Here you can see, let's say we have let's say we need to add the numbers, retail label. Here I want to know the numbers. So here you can see, so let me add the legend. Alright, so we have three different pages. I'm trying to add the same slicer on all other pages. You can take or you can go and add it here. So let me add it here, and I'm adding the same field status. Okay, we got the same slicer here, and I'm adding another slicer on this one. So let's say slicer and status. Okay, so basically we got slicers on all the three pages, right? Okay, now what I'm going to do, now I'm in home tab. Now I'm going to view tab. Here you can see an option called sync slicers. So I'm just enabling this, so it has opened the new window. So if I click this one, so let's say if I choose this slicer, you can see sync slicer has some details: the first page, second page, and third page. So it has listed out all the pages within your report, and you have seen the visibility, like visibility is always on. So you can off, and you can do visibility check here. And here you can see if I filter down as approved, here it has filtered down. So this filter is applied only for the transport insights. If I am going to the page 1, it is not filtered down to the approved, again for page 2. So to make this filter applied to all other pages, you just select the same slicer and just click this tick mark. That's it. So now I have filtered to approved. Here you can see it has filtered down to approved. It has filtered down to approved. So now I'm changing here to pending. So you can see value got changed. I'm going to page 1. Here also pending. and here also pending. So it means the slicers synchronized across all the 3 pages. So this is how we need to go with sync slices option to filter down the data for all other pages. Okay, so let's say we have another option like here we added the slices. So I'm not going to add it here. Let me delete and let me delete. So as of now I have only one slicer, which you can see. So there is no other slicers. If I want to make the filter data applied for all other pages, still possible. Just go with checkbox, same procedure. So if I filtered for pending, you can go to here, again it is for pending, and again it is for pending. So it is not necessary to have different slices. The thing is, if you want to slicer down for each page, you can add it, and you can go with synchronized slices. If not, you can have a single slicer on the main page, and you can easily filter down all other report pages. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.